Hey everyone, so if you don't know who we are,
I'm Mike,
and I'm Jay,
and we are Jen and Joe's OG students from back when they first started in April of 2021, and we've been with them ever since.
so we want to kind of hop on here and let you know that not only has creative financing changed our lives, but so have Jen and Joe. From teaching us how to structure deals to how to acquire and how to dispo deals, it has been a game changer for us.
Since starting with them, we've bought 5 houses and we've done over 20 deals, mix of wholesale, everything.
And we've even learned how to do novation.
Absolutely. So because we have been with them for so long, and another reason that we love them so much and they have changed our lives and the whole process of real estate has changed our lives, is they have actually even asked us to be coaches alongside of them in their business.
So with that all being said, all these tools has allowed us, not just one of us, but both of us to quit our jobs. So with that being said, if you are thinking about doing anything with Jen and Joe, whether that's mastermind classes or doing any of their programs that they offer, I advise you to run, not walk, because you will not regret it.
Absolutely. And we hope to see you guys on the other side.